Alright folks, welcome back. Just got the tent set up and got the fire going in it. Finished our coffee here. Just gonna walk around the front and we'll head inside. So just got a quick latch on here for the moment. Nothing special. I'm gonna get a handle made up for this in a few minutes. So door works pretty good. Okay, so just gonna get that closed up. Alright, so got our wood stove going. Can't really see maybe can't quite see the fire inside, but she's going. Got window, roof, everything's plasticed up. Got a couple of things left to trim here, but that won't be too big a deal. And a little bit of firewood. Got the light by the window just so we got it. We ended up buying this wood stove here from Princess Auto. We're not tremendously impressed with that. Had quite a bit of paint and burn off when we lit it up the first time. But it's back, or it's down to a point where it's not smoking anymore, so it's alright. Got our little plate in the roof, that to go through. Probably going to we are going to end up putting in the larger wood stove that we are building. So once that's ready, we'll get that in. These repurposed windows worked out pretty good. This opens and closes. And got one here that cranks out. Works alright. So we got airflow, and that'll work just fine. So this is where we stand as of right now. A couple of things we're probably going to add in. I'm likely going to put a board probably here next to the door, or yeah, probably here next to the door, so that we have somewhere to hang our coats, and get a couple of things trimmed up. As you can see, there's a little bit of extra here and there, but I'm just going to give you guys a good look around the torch we lit the fire with and all that. But we've been sitting drinking coffee and having a smoke, and everything's good. I'm glad we were able to do this with tools that we either owned already or were able to borrow from some associates, some close friends. This worked out really well. So all told, I believe we have just under $400 in the build, and I'm rather satisfied with how this turned out. Ended up putting a little bit of weather seal around the door so that we're not getting too much air leak. We're probably, I don't know if we're gonna fill that in or not. Probably should put another piece across here like we have up top. But otherwise, everything else is pretty good. These repurposed windows, or reclaimed windows from a wrecked trailer, worked real well. So yeah, everything's going rather well. So this is our hot tent, or bug out shelter, or whatever you want to call it. Once we get everything set up north, then we will be taking this up north at some point. Just a quick view from the other side so we get an idea what this ends up looking like. There's our chimney already smoking, the fire is going. Got the stakes that I made up set up, so we got the guide wires, and that's working real good. It's not super duper cold, but once we get up north, that wood stove is going to be rather important, so we're going to use the bigger one. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.